Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 13 from exercise 9.1 and this question belongs from 11th class maths. Write first 5 terms of the sequence if a1 equal to a2 equal to 2 and whose nth term is given to us. So here students, the first term and second term is already available to us and remaining 3 terms we are going to calculate and nth term is already given to us. So we will start here. Here a1 is equal to 2 and a2 is also equal to 2. It is already given to us. Now we'll start by given thing. One more given thing is nth term formula is available to us, that is an is equal to an minus 1 minus 1. Now which term we need here? Third term, because first 2 terms are already available. So we are going to get third term. Now here it is written that n is greater than 2. N is greater than 2 means only the values of n which are more than 2 we are allowed to substitute here. We cannot substitute here 1, 2 or 0 because n is greater than 2. So that's why here already a1 and a2 are available to us. So that because we cannot get the first and second term from this formula because this an is only applicable for n which are greater than 2. So we have to start by 3 because first 2 terms are available. So now we will start by third term. So we will get here third term, that is a3. So wherever n is there in the formula, 3 we have to write down. So we will get here 3 minus 1 minus 1, that will give us a2 minus 1. And what is a2's value is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So a3 we got. Now in the same way we are going to get a4. a4 is, wherever n is there we will write 4. So 4 minus 1. Now in this formula I am substituting. Instead of this n I am writing here 4. So 4 minus 1 then minus 1. So we will get here a3 minus 1. Now what is a3 here? We got just recently, so it's 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we'll get here a5, that is a5 minus 1 is a4 minus 1, that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So like this we obtain the 5 terms. So here in your exercise you can see many questions are of same type. You just try it, you will get the answer. Now in this video we are going to solve the question number 14 also. So I am writing the question number 14 first. The question 14th is so in this sequence also a1 and a2 are given to us and an formula is also available to us, that is a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2, and here also condition is applied that n is greater than 2. So only the values of n which is greater than 2 we have to find out. And in this question we have to find out, like in all questions they wrote for find first 5 terms or like this, but here we have to find out the value of an plus 1 divided by an, and these values we have to calculate for n equal to 1, then n equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this question is different from others but the meaning is same. So what we have to do is first with the help of this an formula we are going to find out some terms, and here already a1 and a2 are given to us, so we will start by 3. So some terms we'll calculate, and by finding it, so just see how many terms we need maximum. Just see here 5 is there, so substitute here 5. So when you substitute here 5, you will get here a 5 plus 1 6, and here you will get 5. So maximum till 6th term we need it. So first two terms are already available. So first we'll calculate the first 6 terms from this formula, and then we'll start it. Then it's going to be easy for us. So here we'll write down first. Here a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 1. This is given to us. Then we'll write down same way how we solved the previous question. An is a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2. Now we have to calculate the third, fourth, fifth, sixth term. So we will get here first third term. So it's going to be 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. That is going to be a2 plus a1, and both. Now what is here, when we will subtract it, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will get here a2 and a1. And what is a2 and a1 is both are 1. So we will write here, instead of these two terms, we will replace them by 1 and 1. So we will get here 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now same way we are going to get now a4. So we will get here a4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2. That will give us a3 plus a2. Now a3 we have calculated recently, that is 2, and a2 is 1. So it is going to be 3. Now in the same way we will calculate 5 and 6 also. So a5 is equal to a5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2. That will give us a4 plus a3. a4 is 3 and a3 is 2. Now for where I am replacing the value here, so this is our a3 is 2 and a4 is 3. So from here we are substituting the values. That will give us answer 5. So we will get here 5. Now we will get the sixth term also, that is a6 minus 1 plus a6 minus 2. That will give us a5 plus a4. So a5 is 5 and a4 is 3. That will give us answer 8. Now we got all the 6 terms. So now in this formula, we write this formula, and for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we'll calculate again. So we'll write here so an plus 1 upon an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll write it neatly. 2, 3, 4 and 5 are. So we'll start it. So first we have to solve for n equal to 1. That is going to be, for n equal to 1 we'll get here an plus 1 upon an is equal to, it's going to be a1 plus 1 upon a1, that is a2 upon a1, and both are 1 given in the question. So 1 upon 1 is 1. Now in the same way, for n equal to 2, this an plus 1 upon an is going to be a2 plus 1 upon a2 is going to be a3 upon a2. Now a3 is 2 upon 1, that is 2. In the same way we'll calculate for n equal to 3, that is an plus 1 divided by an. So we'll get here a3 plus 1 divided by a3, that is a4 upon a3. Now a3 value is 2, which we calculated, and a4 is, I'll place the values here. So we'll change it. a3 is 2 So we write here 2 and A4 is 3. So it's 3 upon 2. Now we are going to calculate. And for n equal to 4, so it's going to be 4n equal to 4, a n plus 1 divided by an is going to be a 4 plus 1 divided by a4 is equal to a5 upon a4. Now a5 is 5, which we calculated in above, you can see it, and a4 is 3. Once we check it, we see here a5 is 5 and a4 is 3. So that's why we replaced here by 5 and 3. Now we'll calculate for n equal to 5. So it's going to be a n plus 1 divided by an is equal to a5 plus 1 divided by a5 is equal to a6 upon a5. a6, now we need a6 and a5 values, so we'll check here. a6 is 8 and a5 is 5. So we'll substitute the values here. So it's going to be 8 upon 5. So like this question is completed. So in this complete exercise, an is available to us, the nth term is available to us, and according to that, whatever terms they are demanding, we have to find out. So this exercise is simple. You just try it. If you have problem in any question, you just write down in comment. So I will make the video and I will upload it. Thank you.